Hi, welcome to Harvest Helper. My name's Bailey. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Twister T4 trimmer. We're going to be covering 6 categories: durability, flexibility, portability, quality of trim, speed, and the warranty of this machine. Thanks for watching.
The design of this machine has a belt-driven reel blade. Let me show you what that looks like here. So this belt right here is what runs the reel blade underneath, that's spinning underneath your tumbler, that's going to catch the cannabis running through the tumbler right here. So this belt is somewhat of a common replacement, but it does save on replacing bearings from overloading the machine. 304 stainless steel tumbler. Like the other Twister machines, there's no tools required to clean or do most of the maintenance on this machine. It's super easy to take the control box off, to switch a belt if you have to just do any simple maintenance that you need to without even needing a wrench or a screwdriver in a really short amount of time. And that's important if time is an issue to you. The bed knife is controlled by these 2 knobs right here. So the bed knife, like the T2, works on an up and down axis. This control box, this tumbler, this belt, this dust cover down below, all of this comes off when you're gonna go clean the T4, so you can just power wash the blades and the essential components, and then isopropyl alcohol wipe all your electronic components at this control box, so that you don't have to worry about getting water into your control box and ruining your motor or anything like that. Durability. Harvest Helper gives this machine a 4.5 out of 5 stars. For trimming speed, this machine does 10 to 14 pounds per hour dry and 50 to 70 pounds per hour wet. That's a lot of weight for a machine this compact for this size. For trimming speed, Harvest Helper gives this machine 5 out of 5 stars.
The Twister T4 has tandem capabilities. You can run this machine 3 machines in a row, and it also has the ability to run itself wet or dry with just the switch of a tumbler. So for flexibility, I give this machine 5 out of 5 stars. The Twister T4 is super portable. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. This machine is broken down into 2 pieces and can fit in the trunk of a car, in the back seat. It's ready to go anywhere with you. The Twister T4 is a continuous feed style trimmer. This means that the cannabis is going to continuously feed into the trimmer versus a batch style where you're loading 1 batch at a time into the trimmer. For trimming quality, I give the Twister T4 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Twister T4 has soft tumble technology and can accomplish a 95% trim, looking beautiful every time. So 4.5 out of 5 solid stars on the Twister T4. Harvest Helper gives the Twister T4 trimmer 5 out of 5 stars for warranty. We honor the 3-year manufacturer's warranty. If we don't have the parts in stock, we'll have them shipped to you next day so we can have you up and running right away. Call me, Bailey, at the phone number below and I'll get you the most current discount code for the most competitive pricing available. Thanks for watching and have a really great day.